This is Homecoming 2006, and we're seeing Grandma. Say hi, Grandma.
The video camera. Say, she wants you to talk to it. Say hi.
Say hi. Grandma seems to be so full of words today.
It's a silent movie.
Say hi,
Hi! Queen wave.
And then there's
Au revoir.
And there's Margie.
Hi, Sarah.
And Amanda's chicken, and she's walking away. Where'd Gabby go? Oh, hey. Oh, there's Gabby. She's in the bathroom. Come back, Gabby.
Something fell out. I can't fix it.
Ew, beautiful. Alright. Say bye, Grandma.
Say bye. Tell her to have fun. Say
Bye.
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 Have fun.
Okay, bye.